all staying safe at home during this pandemic quarantine time. My husband and I bought our first home and moved into it in December, and I wanted to show you a video of my dad and I replacing the old Honeywell thermostat with a Sensi Wi-Fi smart thermostat. I found this purchase to be worth every penny. I can now control the heat and cooling while I'm at work. And during a time like this, it's really important to keep your bills low. And this is actually proven to keep our utility bills quite low.
The W is connected to white on red. Looks like the blue is on C, green is on G, and yellow on yellow. So the blue is the only one that's connected to one that's a different letter. E.
Right now, my dad is working on labeling the wires correctly so that when we make connections, everything is correct. Did that kit come with it?
No, these are my glass screwdriver.
So just an FYI, this thermostat does not come with its own toolkit, so you'll need to get your own. My dad is using an eyeglass screwdriver.
I'm gonna get something to help get a hold on them, pull them out.
I'm so glad I have my dad helping me make sure that all these connections are done correctly. I've never had experience with this, so if you've never had experience with this either, I would recommend getting someone to help you as well.
G wire. Sometimes they're not the right color, so you put the label on. Most of these are the right color except for this C wire, it's blue. Okay.
Now that we have the wires disconnected and labeled correctly, my dad is removing the original base plate.
It's kind of stripped out. Push one of these things in that hole.
Now it's time to put on the new base.
Level right up in there too.
Oh, that's cool. It's a level up in there. Pretty cool.
There, that's in the middle. Try to get a light on it to see the level. It's going to be a level like right there.
Cool.
Okay.
Now it's time to reconnect all the wires.
The boys are waking up. Right over there. The nursery's right there. Almost time to wake up from nap. About 3:05 p.m. here.
Okay. Oh, short.
What's going on with it?
It's just short.
The wire.
It'll make it challenging to get put in there.
Oh, there goes Jamison.
That was RH. Goes in that hole.
These little fine wires can be a little tricky.
G wire. Okay. And the last wire, the C wire.
Cool. I'm so surprised the smart thermostat didn't come with its own kit. Like the Ring doorbell I bought comes with a whole kit and everything.
These wires are kind of exposed a lot, so that you don't want them touching the other wires.
Ta-da! We're following my dad downstairs. He had to shut the furnace off before, obviously disconnecting and reconnecting the wires and all that. So we're coming down here to turn it back on.
Turn the switch off. It's off now. Turn it off before you mess with the thermostat. We got all the wires hooked back up. The new one hooked up, so now we can turn it back on.
Woot woot. Which is good because I'm pretty sure it's 19 degrees outside right now. So this is what the back of the Sensi Smart Thermostat looks like. We went ahead and covered the security codes because I really don't want any randos out there trying to freeze me out of my house.
And you just push this back onto place so that all those tabs line up with those in there, and it locks into these corners.
Ta-da! It is now mounted. Oh, look.
And we got power. With plastic on it.
It's 71 degrees. It's set at 62, but it's actually at 71. Yeah.
That's reading how hot it is in here, right? The temperature in the house.
I'm surprised it's so warm.
The other one could have been on.
We're going to go ahead and put a couple batteries in it too, just in case. So if it's dark in the middle of the night and you wanted to program this directly on the wall, like you're just cold and you want to come downstairs, a light. So that's pretty cool. Light button up there.
I'm just gonna hit connect. And then it's got the thing flashing up there. Let's see what else that says.
You'll get a card in there with your 8-digit number. Obviously not going to show you for obvious reasons.
Actually programming it on the phone wirelessly.
Because you have to add the Sensi app before you start connecting this, and then you can put your number in there and everything. So he's doing that right now. So now he's selecting my Wi-Fi network. Right now he put in the 8-digit code on the app. And now he is putting in our new Wi-Fi password and network. Let's see what it does.
It says this may take a moment. On the phone, it's configuring. We can fill some of the registration fields for you. Tap locate me below and we'll take it from here. Please turn on location and try again.
The no thanks, do it manually, and then you're going to put in your location here.
Okay.
So on the app, I had to manually put in my address, zip, and time zone because it wouldn't let us like locate, so we had to manually do the location thing. So now that we've got to the next step, it's asking us to name the thermostat. So there's options. It says upstairs, downstairs, custom, thermostat, Sensi. We're just going to pick thermostat.
Okay, now it found the location. Now that's going to let me do next.
Yay, now we're registering the location finally. I was having trouble earlier. It asks you if you have a contractor to put in a cell phone number. It's optional. We don't need that, so we just hit next.
Set to 85.
Look, it says cool done.
Oh,
So there, you had to automatically,
Okay.
you had to make sure you change it to heat because it automatically switched it to cool when we connected this. And then let's see, turn the light on. Set to 68, it says it's 72. Schedule's off, so you can make your schedule here. Auto on, I'm just gonna mess with all that right now.
it says thermostat is offline. Mhm.
It has an X there too.
Your Sensi thermostat either could not establish or has lost the connection to your Wi-Fi network. Or the Sensi current service. Let's walk through the steps to re-establish a connection. Your Sensi,
Wait, there's no X anymore. And the room temperature changed. I think
Okay.
something's on, and the time changed. So it's connected now. The time just automatically changed.
Okay. Mm,
And it adjusted to the correct temperature.
do that then. Okay, there we go. Now it's connected.
So here's the app. So when you get in the app, you can literally obviously just change your temperature and you can see what it is. It even has the humidity on there.
And you can push schedule, or you can set some kind of schedule.
Cool. There we go.
Thanks so much for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. I highly recommend this Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi smart thermostat for anyone in their home. You can buy this item on Amazon for less than $100. I'll post the link below. We have already saved so much money in the last few months on our utility bills, thanks to this Wi-Fi thermostat. Stay safe and healthy out there, and have a blessed day.